Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous day. Today we are going to be making some paper crafts, snowflakes decorations. I suppose you can hang them on the tree, you can use them tags, you can embellish your Christmas journals, you can put it as a card, make them as a little cards, or include them in the little card as a little ephemera, so you guys can do what you want. The choice is yours. I have used my VIP lounge papers. My VIP lounge is a monthly subscription that I offer on my website, where every month you get digital papers, gift boxes, template, cheeky discount, little gift from me for less than the price of a coffee. So it's £2 a month, which I couldn't make it any cheaper. So I don't really know what you buy with £2 nowadays, but yeah, anyway, you can pay once up front. So before I show you how to make those, let me showcase the paper for the VIP subscription for November. The main collection is called Snowflake Kisses. I must admit, this is probably one of my favorite I have ever designed. So it's collection of blues. So the main color is blue and of course snowflakes. But I've added some woodlands pages because I thought that this kit can be used in January after the holidays gone, and then we can just concentrate and create something inspired by the winter rather than feel extremely Christmassy. This is probably my favorite page. So as I said, it's a tone, so blue. Then we get a page with some Christmas backgrounds, pattern, and then lovely robin and a nutcracker. These snowflakes embellishments. So I left them plain so you guys can fussy cut and create anything that you want with those. This will be, there will be amazing tags if you put the initial of the person that you gifted to, and you would just put it on top of your present. Look. These are ready-made bubbles that you just simply fussy cut, or maybe print it on a cardstock and hang it on your tree, or it can be used as a tags. Another woodland scene with a lovely deer. Oh, super cute. This is another favorite of mine. So it's a page with 9 lace embellishments. Again, they're kind of ready-made, so you guys can cut and layer them, or you can add to it. You don't have to cut the lace. You can simply cut the bow and maybe the bubble, or the bow and the snowflakes. You can do anything you want. I think we're going to do a project with this because I have so many ideas in my head. What I want to do. I want to play with all of this. I think in November we're going to make lots of projects with this kit because I simply love it. And then last is 2 plain bubbles that I thought you guys can use as a base and layer on top. Okay. And then the second collection, which is like a little extra gift, is called Velvet Meadow. And the reason why I call it velvet, sorry, it's this way around, is because I don't know why I feel like I'm touching velvet, and I don't know if it's just me. I think when I designed and playing with this tone, and I playing with the color palette on Photoshop, I wanted to create something that is very tactile, don't know the right word. But yeah, it feels like I'm touching velvet, and I don't know if you guys feel the same, or is it just me? It could be just me, and it's absolutely fine. If it's just me, I'll take it. So second page is this one. I thought, so these are 2 t-shirts that you can just simply fold, and then you got the collar to put on top, and this can be used as a tag because you can simply fussy cut this little space here. But again, we're definitely going to do a project because I thought we can do some hidden paper clips with this. You get another page with an envelope here that you can just simply cut some tabs, and 2 large tabs. Again, this can be we can do some paper clips with them as well. You can use as they are, you can layer on top. And then the last page of the kit is a lovely collection of tags, which I have used the same background, and I'm layered some flowers on top. And I wanted to create a bit of a contrast with this lovely teal, like a turquoise teal, and this deep burgundy slash white. It's like a wine color. So that's what it looks like. Really happy with those. And then the gift letter for this month is letter S. So the gift box we get. So this is the instruction. There is also a private video that I send you the link so you can see how I made this up. So it's basically, it's one of the easiest letter to make up because the tabs are quite easy to do. So you got the front and the back, and that's the template. So these is the, let me show you. This is the front. So you get the front and the tabs, and this is the back of the letter. Okay, and because I had this page, this half of the, more than half of the page for free, I gave you this is like a gift bag template. So as you can see, that's where it's fold over, and that's the bottom tabs. Okay, but again, in the private video, you can see what it looks like when it's done up. So we are on letter S, and this is what it looks like when it's done up. And there is a video tutorial, a step-by-step on how to put this letter together. Look how cute that looks. And of course, it stands itself up. Okay, and that's what the bag, the little bag looks like. So cute. So you just, it's a, it closes itself. So it's a self-closure bag. Okay, and that's the detail. And then that's, I've got a few letters from previous months. I've got letter A, B, C, D, got them all in here, if I can reach, E, F, G, H, I, and each letter of course is different, depends on the month that we've done it. And then we got J, K, L, M, N, O, E, Q, and R. Okay, so this is the page of the kit that we're going to use today. It's the one with the snowflakes and the embellishment on top. Now, I got all my snowflakes sort of stamps and dies that I have. So this is from Stampin' Up. I've got this from eBay. It's called Festive Flurry. Now it says 202, but I'm very confident, judging by the picture, that I've got both, because I'm sure they would have said to 2, because on one you get the 3 snowflakes and on the other one you get the large. So I think this seller, if I remember correctly, she put them all into one. And then I've got the matching dies. Okay, so this will, so I bought it as a bundle. eBay is the best place to find Stampin' Up second-hand product. So yeah, so these will cut all the stamps. So I'm just gonna have a look at that. And then I've got here, so this is my Christmas window sentimental bubble. So I do make this myself. So I put them all together and I create this little label. And I have used magnetic sheets. You buy them off Amazon. Okay, so I've got this lovely bubble. So you get the out, you know, you can fussy cut the out bit and then this on top, because on here I have some more snowflakes. The only concern, I think, if I use them, because I thought we can layer them, but then we're gonna cover them. So yeah, no, we ain't going to use this. And what I've got here, Christmas tree poinsettia snowflakes. Okay, let's have a look. So these might be too small. Yeah. Yeah, I think they're too small. Yeah, so I'm going to use, I want to use, yeah, I think what we're going to do, I'm going to cut, die cut these in blue, and I'm going to fussy cut maybe, should we do 3? let's do him. Let's do the Nutcracker. Let's definitely do the snowman because it's super cute. And what should we do? Oh, I wish you guys could tell me. I do like the candy cane, but I also like the glove and I also like the bell and the candle. Let's do the bell. Yeah. Let me prep everything and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let me show you what I've got. I used my metallic paper as well. I got some silver here. This is just some blue. I have some blue cardstock and then some glitter. So I die cut one of each. And then this one only had one piece left. Some more small ones. So what I thought we would do, yeah, I really like how they're gonna look. Now what I'm trying to do, some layering. Now off camera I was trying to play with it. Now if I do it like that, which is how it's meant to go, I guess, and you put this on top, you don't really see it. So I think we need to try to offset it, maybe like that, so you see still the point, and then this on top is still not very visible. I mean, I can see it, so I don't know if we should just do it like that and it's more tidy, or adding another layer. I think I'm going to add another layer and maybe leave some plain. I'm going to do some work off camera and I'll be right back. I'll show you in order. So the first one I made was this one. Okay, so it's simply, if I turn around you can see it. So the main snowflake was the glittery one, and then I just put the silver one in kind of in the middle. Okay, so this is the first one. Love it, love it. The second one was this one here with the snowflake, with the snowman. I have used both same size, the blue cardstock and the silver snowflake, exactly the same size, the silvery one. So this is what it looks like, and I simply offset it all between the two layers. Last one, which is the biggest one, I want to be OTT. Definitely want to be over the top. I have used, I think it was like 4, because it's 1, 2, 3, no sorry, 1, 2, and then there's a 3. I have used 3 snowflakes. There's the third one in there. So let me explain. I have used the large silver one and cut it into 2, the other silver, plain silver one, and cut it into 2, and then the glitter silver, which is underneath, and this is what you get. So you can go as crazy as you want, or you can go as simple as you want. So this is the 2 effect. Okay, so chosen are yours. I think this paper are very easy to make because you simply fussy cut them around, and then depends on what sort of snowflakes, dies have you got at home. You can just play around and layer them. Now you don't have to keep it silver and blue, you can add more colors, but I just think, you know, it works really well. So that's it guys, I hope you like them. Okay, let me show you where to find my VIP papers on my website. Okay, so if you go to my website, antoniomakes.com, just here on the top, you recognize it because there is a butterfly there. I just give my website a little revamp. So these are the bundles. Okay, so if you click over without even clicking, it gives you a little preview. Okay, so these are the 12 bundles. That's including my ebook. And with my ebook, you get a free planner as well. My VIP lounge. My VIP lounge membership now is only £2 a month. Imagine the joy of opening a treasure chest each month. Inside, you'll find exclusive digital papers you won't get anywhere else.
beautifully curated to inspire your junk journal, cards, planners, and creative project. Each bundle is a surprise, a spark, a moment of magic made just for you from me. And every month, of course, is different. Don't miss out. Every month, a brand new exclusive collection of digital papers is released, crafted to inspire and delight. These designs are never repeated. Once they're gone for good. Yeah, because it changes every month. So what do you get? You get 30% discount across everything on my website. So including all my bundles and physical journals. Digital papers that, of course, I will send it to you each month to your email address. And a gift box template and a private video, of course, that shows you how to make it. So you can pay £2 a month, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can just do one yearly membership price. You just pay once and you get them for 12 months. And then if you scroll here, you see all the feedback from the VIP members and what they say about the papers they get each month. And here, my little thank you note to every single one of them.
Okay, guys, I'm going to go. Hope you're going to enjoy making them. And then if you're not subscribed, please join my VIP lounge with £2, very, very cheap, less than the price of the coffee a month. You get papers, gift boxes, discount, etc., etc. So it's a very, very well worth it. Or you can pay once up front and you forget about it. Okay, my papers get sent to your email address every month, so please check your junk or spam email box, because sometimes the papers can end up there based on depends on your privacy setting. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Big thumbs up if you like this little snowflakes. It really supports with my journey here on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get little notifications, so it really helps with my grow on the platform. Have a wonderful, wonderful crafting day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.